Hello guys. We're making a video of this that I discovered in my treehouse. Look, see, you can see there's a bird's nest right there. Let's get a closer look, shall we? Let me stand up right here. You guys see that? Those beauty eggs. You guys see those beauty eggs? Those are bird eggs. I just noticed it when I was coming outside playing on the tire swing over there. See? It's fun. I'm going to play on it. I'm going to get on it. Let me get on it. Let me get on it. Okay, there we go. Let's do this. Oh, shoot. Ah, shoot, I fell out. Ah! Foxy. Hey, Foxy, did you notice that there was a bird's nest over there? Oh, let's go check it out. Yeah. Wow. See those eggs? Yeah. The camera already seen them, so I don't want to record it again. Hey, look. So that was our play treehouse. Yeah. So we just found it, and there's my electric scooter. Scooter. Yeah, that's mine. That's my electric scooter. Okay. Okay, so let's get moving. We'll try playing on this again. Wait, actually, come on, tree, come on. Ah, shoot. Take it. Foxy's riding the electric scooter, are ya? Yes, but I want to film. Actually, I will. Hey, Foxy. Foxy's riding the pretty good. So, get up. See? Harmless. We'll go start fire. And this guy's cooking for us. Hey, mysterious guy. You cooking food?
I am cooking food.
Hey, Foxy, come on. Let's go here. So you can see that we cut all that wood here. Yeah. Let's sit down by the lake. Hold on. Let me get those pliers. I'm going to cut a piece of string so we can go fishing.
No, we're not going to go fishing. No.
Yeah, we're all going fishing. Let's... Goodness.
I think that's what you use. Oh, I know what to use. I think we have it somewhere.
Let's go. I wonder what Foxy's up to. Shoot. Come. Go down. Okay, so let's go here. Go here. Go here. Okay. Okay, bonjour. Orange. Okay, Foxy, what'd you find?
I found a knife.
Let me cut it. The camera.
I washed it though. Stop it.
Cut your eye off. Stupid.
Oh, no, not that.
See, let's get moving. Well, I'm not pretty much what I'm going to do right now. See, we're just... Look. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, guys, I gotta go eat. Because the chef is good. So, I gotta end the video here, guys. Foxy, we gotta go eat. And the bird's nest, you gotta see it again. Do, 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 do.